Hi, this is Scarlett Sanchez with another book talk featuring the book Beyond the Bright Sea. Have you ever wondered about your past? Any unanswered questions that you may have? Well, 12-year-old Crow definitely has a lot of questions about her past. See, she was left on this island and her family just left her behind. For what reason? Well, luckily she was saved by a man named Osh and Miss Maggie. And Osh and Miss Maggie served as her parents and took care of her, raised her, and loved her like a daughter. As Crow is getting older, because she is a preteen, she's starting to wonder what happened so many years ago. Why did her family leave her behind? Where are they? And she's asking people who had worked on that island some questions so she can solve this mystery. Well, as Crow searches to find out her answers, inside Osh is just very sad, and he's just kind of struggling with wondering if he's just going to lose Crow. He's spent all this time raising her and giving her a good life and treating her like a daughter, and is he going to lose her when she finds out her answers? Does Crow seek out the answers that she's looking for? Does Osh lose her as a daughter? You definitely want to check out this book, Beyond the Bright Sea. Find out the answers to those questions and read about family and adventure.